federal regulators are trying to take your crypto. At least that's the picture that they're trying to paint. You see, because Elizabeth Warren is basically comparing the whole crypto market and basically saying that it's bogus, that it has no legs to stand on, that it's a scam. We're going to dive into that today. What's up, my fellow investors? My name is Mike.
My name is John.
And we are Crypto Logic, the #1 podcast that keeps you informed on what, how, and most importantly, why to invest in cryptocurrency. Now, guys, Elizabeth Warren basically is quoted saying, "Cryptocurrency has created opportunities to scam investors, assist criminals, and worsen the climate crisis. The threat posed by crypto show that the Congress and federal regulators can't continue to hide out, hoping that crypto will go away. It won't. It's time to confront these issues head on." So basically, the cryptocurrency that she's referring to is Dogecoin. She's basically saying that Dogecoin is the whole crypto market, which we know is not actually true.
He's using Dogecoin as an example of the whole crypto space as a whole, which in a sense is accurate because right now, if you go on YouTube, everyone's talking about the next 1000X. Everyone's talking about making millions of dollars in crypto.
Yeah.
So what she's saying is that it's a lousy investment. She's saying that every cryptocurrency is basically like Dogecoin. So like the first time someone brings up, "Oh, are you in crypto?" Most people are going to say, Dogecoin. "Oh, I'm in Dogecoin."
Yeah,
when
exactly.
Initially, it was Bitcoin was like the original of
the #1.
Now everyone's just talking about Dogecoin. So she's telling her fellow politicians we can't ignore it anymore. It's here to stay. Let's start regulating it and create a government-backed digital currency, which is
CBDC. Yeah, exactly. You know, the funny thing about that, man, is if that was actually true, then why are there so many crypto asset groups being created that are pumping hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars? One in particular is Cryptology Asset Group, which is basically backed by Mike Novogratz. John, can you kind of elaborate on this, kind of give them the understanding of what is actually going on here?
Yeah, so Mike Novogratz is on the advisory board for this Cryptology Asset Group, this company. So he's an early Bitcoin investor, and he believes that crypto is we're at the beginning of the crypto revolution. He's quoted as saying that they strive to become one of the leading global investors in this very nascent asset class. So this very early asset class. So they're going to focus on investing on crypto assets and digital tokens, and as also companies that are invested into crypto and blockchain related services. So they're looking to pour money into companies that are working with crypto, that use blockchain. They're trying to get their money into all these types of organizations and companies that use crypto.
Because they understand that crypto is the future. We're moving more towards crypto as opposed to backing up and going back to fiat money. Because the funny thing about all of this, right, is Elizabeth Warren wants to create a CBDC. But why create a CBDC for crypto if crypto was just going to disappear tomorrow? Right? It doesn't really make sense. But, you know, that's why we preach on our show that you guys should always do your research, because if you don't do your research, you can basically get wrecked in this system, right? You can go on YouTube, find the next pump and dump, you go put your money into it, and you just get rug pulled and you lose everything. It's very important to do your research, guys. Now, if this was the only example we had, you could probably argue, maybe what they're saying has some, to it. But we actually have another actual example to show you, and this is the $157 billion Victory Capital that plans to enter the crypto market. Now, basically what this article is stating as this asset group called Hashdex basically partnered with NASDAQ in September of 2020. They basically issued a Bitcoin exchange trading fund in Bermuda. Now, John, why did they pick Bermuda? What is so special about Bermuda?
Yeah, so Bermuda in 2018 already formulated some type of regulation for crypto. So they're crypto friendly. So all these billionaires and millionaires they created their own exchange, and they partnered with NASDAQ, which is part of the stock exchange.
Crazy.
They created their own Bitcoin exchange fund in Bermuda, which is regulated already, so they know that their millions and billions of dollars are going to be safe there, or be moved freely there without any conditions, anything
problems,
like that, any problems. Yeah. So they created that fund, and though that fund has listed 8 cryptocurrencies to invest in. They have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Chainlink's Link. They have XLM, they have Filecoin, and they have Uniswap, which is Uni. So basically, there's $157 billion going to be flowing through those 8 tokens, and maybe more to be added soon.
Yeah, I mean, they just got approved in February, so
yeah,
there's probably more cryptocurrencies going to be added, like relatively
That's
soon.
a lot of money that's going to be moving through these quote unquote fundamental tokens, and probably more will be added. So the smart money are making chess moves right now. They're making moves behind the scenes when politicians are saying, hey, we got to start regulating this. But they know they'll be fine, because the tokens that they're investing in aren't considered types of tokens that Dogecoin is.
Right, pump and dump. They're not invested in those.
The the average Joe that's investing right now, when they think of crypto, they think of Dogecoin. They think of something that's just, oh, I'm gonna put $100 in and it's gonna turn to $1 million.
Once it goes to $1, yeah.
When fundamental tokens actually have a utility, they have a purpose of why they were created. Dogecoin's purpose was a joke. It was created because
it was a meme.
Joke.
It was a meme.
She's literally, Elizabeth Warren is labeling cryptocurrency as a joke because of Dogecoin. But my opinion is that Dogecoin is just a catalyst. Everyone only is going into crypto because people are making money off of Dogecoin.
Yeah.
If you're really invested in crypto, you understand that this is where the world is going to shift into. The fact that they want to create a central bank digital currency also proves that theory, because they want to create cryptocurrency, digital money, but they want to do it on their terms. They want to create something that's government backed, that's flowing through the central bank. And we showed in other videos, other banks are getting on board. Chase is making their own digital token. Bank of America is partnering with Ripple. Wells Fargo has a lot of patents for blockchain technology to build their own or partner with in the future. The smart money is moving into these cryptocurrencies, as we show in the examples. These unknowns, the 1%, they have billions of dollars ready to go into these tokens in the future.
Yeah, they're ready to go, guys. And honestly, when you do your own research and you take the time to actually look for this stuff, you'll see, like, they'll tell you exactly where they're going. Like in this example here with the Victory Capital, you could see, without anyone telling you what the next best coin is or any of that, you could see they got Bitcoin, they got Ethereum, they got Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Chainlink, XLM, Filecoin, and Uniswap. Those are 8 tokens that they're going to be invested in.
You know what's funny? Dogecoin is ranked higher than more than half of those. If you go to CoinMarketCap, Dogecoin's ranked higher.
Yeah,
and it's to deal with the market cap, obviously. Like,
but
how much money is in there?
Dogecoin is actually ranked higher just because of what you said, and because there's no regulation at this point.
Exactly.
But once XRP and all that case and all that stuff gets taken care of,
I guarantee you extra people will be on that list.
Regulation is going to smash all of those cryptocurrencies. So right now, what we're saying is, if you're going to get into crypto, right, and you want to, make you a little bit of money, you get into a pump and dump or whatever, go ahead. But do your research. Get your money out and put it into fundamental tokens, because once regulation comes, and it will come, guys, it's not a whether or not it's going to happen, maybe it might. No, it's going to happen.
Something like this is an industrial revolution.
It's going to happen, guys.
The internet was regulated. Oil, cars being made was regulated. Back then when they were making crap cars, you can't make a crap car anymore.
Exactly. Way too many regulations.
There's rules to abide by when you create a car. Even when you build a house, there's rules that you have to check off before you can just build a kitchen in the backyard or something like that. You have to pass. They always regulate everything. So coins like Doge and certain tokens that have no purpose, those coins,
no utility.
Yeah, those coins might not be around. And
more than likely not. They're
trying to scare people away. The people that aren't invested in or thinking about investing in, they're trying to scare them away. Hey, just stay out of it. And then when they create the digital currency, the government does.
It's gonna be too late at that point.
That's when it's safe. Oh yeah, now you can use digital currencies. Now you can get in. But real smart investors, just like the examples we showed, the smart money, they're moving into tokens because they know those tokens are going to be here to stay. They know that So just follow the money. That's what
You gotta always follow the money, man. Do your research and follow your money. But the overall picture that we're trying to paint here is, if you're gonna get into crypto and you decide that you're gonna get into a pump and dump, go ahead. But make sure that you figure out what you're gonna do, your exit strategy. What is your plan afterwards? Because after regulation, those are not gonna be there. So where are you gonna put your money? You obviously want to be into crypto because you've invested in crypto as of right now. So invest into fundamental cryptos is basically all of what I'm saying. Okay, so we thank you guys all so much for watching today's video. We do hope you guys found some value. If you did, please smash that like button. Really does help us with the YouTube algorithm and get this, this picture out to more people so they can actually see what's really going on behind the scenes. So thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. God bless. Be safe.